it's me, Alegra. Babes, I created this look today using the new Colourpop Candyland collection. So actually it's called Colourpop Land. So I used the palette, the blushes, the lips. I also am wearing the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation. So there is a lot of good stuff that I'm going to show you today that I cannot get enough of. It is all vegan, cruelty-free beauty from Colourpop, so it's super amazing. And I am also going to be having a giveaway, so keep watching the video to see exactly what the giveaway is. I can't wait to show you. And I'm also going to do a tutorial in this video and show you how I created this candy coated look, sort of a pink pastel fun wearable look. So I'm starting out by using the Candy Castle palette. This is the palette in the Colourpop Land collection. And so I'm just taking the shade Grandma Nut and I'm just placing that on the front portion of my eye, making small circular motions. This color is so unique. It's absolutely stunning. I did also prep my eyes with concealer before I put on the shadow, so I always do that. But now I'm just going in with Grandma Nut. It's just such a gorgeous color. I don't even know how to describe it. It's definitely matte. It's a rosy pink tone. So it's really, really different and unique, and I really love it. I felt like with this look, once it was coming together, I felt like it looked like a raspberry, kind of like a chocolate raspberry, since this is Candyland, you know. And now I'm just taking the same shade and I'm placing it on under my lower lashes with a pencil type brush. And then I'm going in with this gorgeous pastel shade Candyland, and I'm just placing that on the front portion of my eye just to highlight and kind of blending it into Grandma Nut. And that shade does have some shimmer in it, so it's really beautiful. And now I'm taking Sugar High and I'm just layering that right over Candyland just to make a really nice color blend. And then I'm gonna take it and place it right on top of my lid space area with a shader brush. So this color is so gorgeous and it makes the most unique effect. So you can layer it over all the different shadows in the palette and it will create all different looks. So it's so much fun to try, creating your own different looks just by layering this shadow over the other shadows in the palette. But for my look today, I'm doing kind of a pastel pink look, so I'm just going to use this right over Grandma Nut, and it came out so beautiful. I think it looked more vibrant in real life, but anyhow. So now I'm just taking Candyland again, and I'm just using that to transition out, and then I placed some of that white shade again, Sugar High, on my brow bone, just to make the brow bone highlighted and kind of pop. So now I'm taking this shade Gloppy. So this is the darkest shade in the palette, and this is where I feel like the look came together like a chocolate raspberry truffle type of look. It's like when it started to come together, I said this reminds me of like chocolate raspberry, my favorite combination. So I just very gently blended Gloppy on the outer portion of my eye, and it just made such a pretty effect. And then taking a clean fluffy brush, I just blend everything together so it'll be nice and seamless. And then taking a purple eyeliner, I just smudged that into my lower waterline, and then I just went right over that with the purple shade in the palette, Plumpy. And then I also put some Plumpy on my lid just because it was so pretty, so I just wanted to play with it some more. And then I took Grandma Nut again and just blended everything out. So now I'm just applying some Milk Makeup mascara, and then I'm just actually putting a little bit of glitter on top of the Sugar Plum shadow. I just like to do that sometimes just to make the shadows really pop. So now I'm putting on my Tarte concealer. This is the Hydrating the Sea. I'll have it linked below. It's so creamy. It's really natural looking, and it actually melts right into your skin. So I really love this concealer. It truly effortlessly just really blends into your skin and have you concealed and brightened and everything. It's effortless. It's amazing. So then I'm just taking a little translucent powder, Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I take a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I just apply that on my T-zone area just to set the concealer. and it just makes a much more diffused, natural kind of look when you use a fluffy brush to do that. And then I'm taking some of this Tarte, this is their cream bronzer. It's so good. I actually really love this cream bronzer. It's very natural as well and blends effortlessly into your skin. So now I'm just placing some lashes on only the outer portion of my eye. I actually kind of did cut off the front portion of the lashes. And so I'm only placing them on the outer portion of my eye, if you can see there. And it kind of makes like a doe-eyed effect. And then I'm taking my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. It's all natural, clean beauty to help everything set and melt together. And it's also going to give you longer lasting makeup too. So now I'm just going in with the Urban Decay lip liner in Gash. And then I'm going to go over that with the Colourpop Land Lip Balm. So these are such gorgeous tinted balms. They just have just a hint of color, but they blend beautifully into different lip liners, or you could wear them alone for a natural sheer wash of color, and they're just so pretty. So I absolutely love them. And then I'm going over that lip balm with the Princess Lolly Rollerball lip gloss, which I'm obsessed with from the Colourpop collection. So it's a definite must-have. And then here I'm going to use the Colourpop Super Shock blush in, this is Gumdrop Pass, and these feel so phenomenal on your skin. They definitely build up, so you can apply just a wash of color or build them up for a more vibrant look, but they are absolutely amazing. They are truly the best blushes I think I've ever used. And then here I'm going to go in with the Queen Frostine highlighter, and this is just too much. It's just too amazing, guys. I can't get over the packaging. And then inside is the most gorgeous powder puff that is a baby blue color. It's so soft, it feels so decadent on your skin, and this is a loose highlighter, so you are getting tons of product in this package, in this highlighter. You can use your fingers, you can use the poof, you can use a brush. There's so many different options, and this highlighter truly makes the most gorgeous effect on your face. You can apply it, again, like a lot of Colourpop products, you can apply them for a sheerer look, or you can build them up, but it's a very natural look. It winds up coming out very luminous, lit from within of a highlight. So it's really beautiful. You'll feel comfortable in real life wearing it. So it really truly blends just effortlessly into your skin and gives you the most gorgeous highlighted effect, yet in a very natural way. It also has a very hint of a candy-like scent, so it's just so great. So I gave myself a final spritz of my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist for glowing skin and longer lasting makeup too, and then this is the finished look. So I absolutely love this palette. I highly recommend it, and so I definitely would pick it up. And today I wanted to have a giveaway, you guys, like I mentioned earlier, so just subscribe to my channel to be entered into today's giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a bottle of my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist and this 4-piece set of makeup brushes, this gorgeous neon eyeshadow brushes. They're also cruelty-free brushes, so you'll get the vegan setting spray, the brushes, and you'll also get a Colourpop goodie from this Candyland collection. So just subscribe to take part and be entered to win, and then you'll also be entered into my huge monthly makeup giveaway as well. So I can't get enough of these brushes. They are so good, you guys, and the color is just so uplifting. So I can't wait to see who wins, and also of course my beauty mist. So you can't get enough of that, guys, right? So I hope you guys will take part. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe and take part in all the good stuff. So I love you guys so much. Stay safe, stay positive, stay focused on good things, and I'll see you beauty soon.